thumbs up. Give us the okay. If you like that video, please hit the like button.
That video?
This video.
Oh, this video. Because you said that video.
Okay.
Hey, what are you doing over there? Welcome back to Donslife. Welcome to the channel. We think now is an opportune time to give you a bit of a status update and our short-term plans for here on the channel. For those of you that have been following the channel for a while, you know we endure these extremely long winters. Although you couldn't tell, it is officially spring, but we just received another dump of snow and have to wait for it to melt. We appreciate your understanding that our content may be affected by these weather conditions. We do envision filming outside where we can have the garage door open and work on projects out here. That just hasn't necessarily been the case.
But we do have some plans on the horizon and we want you guys to follow along. Let's go.
Now, Mrs. Donslife wants her caffeine fix from Starbucks. So let's review some of the plans that we have over the coming months in no particular order while we go and get you your coffee.
Yes.
Testing. System ready.
So I have a little list here that I'm going to refer to, but one of the first things that we're going to do is, you see this 1956 Cameo out here? She runs, but she doesn't run the way that she's supposed to, and I'm talking about the truck. But Mrs. Donslife is going to help me get her up and running.
I'm not sure how I'm getting
It's going to be a
this.
stinky and dirty job. So
lovely.
that's coming as soon as we can get this snow out of the way. All right, we're on our way. I've given the list to Mrs. Donslife so she can recite some of the plans.
Okay, well, since you're gonna have the Cameo out, you could finish the hex lighting in the garage. And then you do have a secret little gift coming in the mail.
Yes, so we got to finish the
Little
hex lighting
addition.
like you said. The truck will be out of the way, so that'll make it easier. And then we have a special enhancement
Yes.
for that, so that's coming. I also have some tech reviews planned and some garage tool reviews. So those are going to be sprinkled in over the coming months. I just pulled the trigger on installing a dash cam in the Corvette C8. I get a lot of dash cam requests to review, but when the environment is drab like this, I'm just not very motivated to put together a dash cam review with footage of snow and mud. It's kind of dreary. But either way, we're going to be
for 6 months of the year.
yeah, but either way, we're going to put this dash cam that I've selected in my Corvette. And when you know, I have some plans to make my GMC Sierra AT4 even more aggressive in appearance. We do have a small mechanical issue on the GMC Sierra as well. We have a leak at the rear axle, just a slow leak, and that needs to be addressed. So I'm gonna try and get it done under warranty. So that's coming up in a few weeks as well.
Be right back.
Go get that coffee.
Yeah. 3 of them. 3 of them.
I think she forgets she's wearing a microphone. So let's listen to what she's talking about when she goes inside. They all know her by name, so this should be interesting. If they're busy, they may not talk to her, but we'll see. Here she comes.
I wasn't kidding. 2 for me, 1 for you. He made me wait so long in the afternoon on a Saturday, so I'm getting 2. You do need to take your wrap off because it's time for sure.
Yeah, my wrap is, it's got some damage, as you know if you've been following the videos. Why is your wiper going on? There we go.
It's automatic and it's snowing.
Oh, you're right. The technology. Yes, we got to take the wrap off. I've just been delaying because, again, the weather. When you take
And it
off,
hurts your fingers.
it does hurt your fingers.
Really hurts the fingers.
But that's why I got you. Help me out.
Breaks my nails.
We'll be taking the wrap off. It's just a dirty job if it's going to be wet and have extra dirt and grime on it. So just waiting for it to be a little cleaner. But I already have ordered some new samples for the wrap. So it'll be the white Stormtrooper look for a little while, and then we'll go on to whatever I choose from this next batch of samples.
And not pink, right?
No pink. Hey, are those friends of yours?
Oh,
Friends?
yes.
I'm confused. Is it Comic-Con or something?
Oh, is it Comic-Con this weekend?
I don't know.
No, isn't that like September?
I have no idea.
I don't know.
This is one of the dumbest spots to have a parking lot. have to back into active traffic just to get going. I do have some more lighting projects planned for the GMC Sierra. Remember, we don't have lights in the back bumper yet, so that needs to be addressed, and I have some ideas for some other things that I want to do.
And I think you and Lone Star Hawaiian were maybe thinking of trying to get something going.
We're allowed to call him Chad now.
No.
But yes, Lone Star Hawaiian and I, or Chad, have been in discussions on how we're going to collaborate when we live pretty much across the world from each other.
Yeah, we live like pretty far north and he lives really south.
I'd like him to get into his Mercedes Sprinter van and do a long road trip all the way up to visit us. I don't know if he has the appetite for that, but we'll see.
I'd rather just go on a road trip.
We'd rather go to Texas. We'd rather go to Texas.
Yeah.
But yes, we are coordinating something. Nothing's finalized. We're floating some ideas. So I think we have 2 or 3 good collaboration ideas, which we can work on from a distance. We just have to find the schedule and the timing to make it all come together. So if you're watching one of my videos, you can tell me how you feel about it in the comment section. If you're watching one of his, maybe just give him a little nudge to open up a couple calendar spots in his busy schedule. He's much busier than I am. So speaking of travel, we have already booked a portion of a pretty big road trip coming up in early June. We are headed to the Las Vegas area. We'll be in Las Vegas and some other areas, but we are going to hone my skills for driving my C8 at the Spring Mountain Resort. I'm going to take the driving school for 2 days, and yes, I made sure to book time that Mrs. Donslife will also get to be a co-pilot, not with me, but with a pro driver to go around the track. So
there'll be some...
I hope he has earplugs.
Yes.
And as soon as this snow is melted, we do have some upgrades for the C8 also on their way. So we'll get to test those and share with you our findings. Hi.
Hi.
And I am reviewing this. This is an innovative portable power solution. I'm just doing the final editing on this video, so that's going to come out very soon. Little noise from the heater, so sorry about that. Do you remember Brink wheels? Mm-hmm. I have those wheels on my truck right now. Mm-hmm. Well, if you remember last year around this time, they approached me for some design ideas for a new wheel.
Yes.
I voted on what I liked. We went back and forth. So I've had a little bit of influence into what the final outcome is going to be. Mm-hmm. Well, that wheel I think is close to production, if not already like on the doorstep of production.
Nice.
And we're going to get a set. So I'm thinking maybe for your Escalade.
Oh, okay.
So we don't know exactly what they're going to look like for sure because I've only seen the renders. But that could be something that we end up doing as well.
Nice.
We have some more things coming from Boost Auto Parts, so stay tuned for that. Now that we're in the house, this is actually fitting. You see our snow lawn back there?
Yeah.
Well, the company did reach out. They have a robot lawnmower they wanted actually us to test, so
Yes,
it could be something that you could do for the channel.
I do mow the lawn. That is my
You do? You like
thing.
doing it?
I like doing that.
Yeah, we don't have a lot of lawn, so that's probably part of the reason you don't mind doing it.
Yeah.
But we are several months from getting a lush lawn that's going to need cutting.
Yes.
So I don't know if the robot lawnmower is going to happen, but it's in the ether. I'm also looking at your blinds, and I'm reminded of the home improvement videos that we produced. We've done probably 7 or 8. I know,
wow.
like lawnmower from the backyard
Right.
renovation to all the blinds.
The fire
Most
table,
recently,
I
the
think.
fire table. Yeah, there could be more than 10. Either way, I know that we're going to continue to do more, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we.
Her
it's
idea-
time for a new house.
Yeah, that's her idea. She wants a bigger house. I want more space, obviously for a shop.
Yes.
And although we love our neighbors, the interruptions from the traffic, school bus, the way our house faces, we have a west-facing garage, so the sun from like 3 p.m. right until setting is just pointed right into the
And it
garage. So
blasts the
it makes it
house.
difficult to film in there
Yeah.
without the door being closed.
Yes.
So some things that work against content creation, but wouldn't it be nice just to have some space and less interruptions?
Yeah. Not that our house is small.
Yeah, we love our house.
Yes.
It's just not exactly what we want in every way in detail.
Yes.
So right when we were leaving, this package was dropped off. If you could open it, see what's in there. I know you forget what you order sometimes.
Yeah, it has my name on it. Oh,
So that's some Donslife merch.
it is.
It's a little big for you.
A little bit.
So that one's the gift for Riley. So Riley, this
Okay.
shirt's coming your way. This is our salesman over at Wheaton GM. So we are going to give that to him because he's you know, been working with us and showing us some new vehicles to look at. So that's coming your way, Riley. And the Donslife Swag Hub. All the merch on there is designed and curated by you.
It is, yes. And it's not easy. So when you buy something, just know that I poured my heart and soul into it.
That means if there's something that you want to see that's not on the Donslife Swag Hub, then let us know in the comments below and we'll try to make it. I've given her a list of make this, make this, make this, make this, and you know, it just takes some time to get around to those things. And we have to order samples to make sure that we're happy with what they look like. So far, the build quality on everything is top notch, at least top notch for the price. Like this isn't gonna wash off. That's just like a shirt that you'd buy in the store that would have a proper print on it. So out of everything we just said, what I'm really taking away from that is pick yourself up some merch, support Mrs. Donslife.
Yes, please.
Well there, we just covered about 15, 16 different initiatives or things that we're gonna cover over the next few months, plus whatever else happens. So hopefully you wanna join us for that adventure, join us for the ride. If you like this video, hit that like button.
Please consider subscribing.
Please consider, say that again.
Okay. Please consider subscribing.
And we'll talk to you next time. So on that note, hit that like button.
Please consider subscribing. Oh, and we'll talk to you next time.
Now, we're doing this because it's like a running joke now that we're gonna always mess up. So on that note, if you like today's video,
please consider, thumbs up, give us the
I'm gonna let her take us out.
No. Okay, if you like that video, please hit the like button.
That video?
This video.
Oh, this video, because you said that video.
Okay, if you like this video, please hit that like button, consider subscribing, and we'll talk to you next time. That was so bad. Why do you have to make me do it? Okay, I hope these are gonna be bloopers. Okay, if you like this video, hit that like button, please consider subscribing. I swear there is no alcohol in here.
You can't do this on purpose.
I can't.
This is genuine you.
This is just me. If you like this video, hit that like. Okay, last time. I'm sweating and laughing so hard. Okay, if you like this video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing and we will talk to you next time. Yes, I did it. No, stop.